Hello, so today I will be unboxing BTS's Map of the Soul 7. I am so excited for this. I have been waiting forever, I swear. Because it felt like it's been so long since Persona, so yeah. Honestly, the tracks on this album, killer, amazing. I love the title track. Honestly, am I surprised? No, I'm not. Of course, BTS did that. But yeah, I'm really, of course, I actually did not get these albums from Target or Walmart, although I did see them at the stores. I actually ordered this from the Bighit shop USA. So yeah, it came pretty fast. I think it would have probably came faster, but it was because it was during the weekend, so yeah, that's fine. But yes, also they're huge. Like I literally do not have I do not have shelf space, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna make space for them. But yes, let's just get on right into the first one. Okay, so this is version 1. Really pretty. I really like this version. Yeah. Although I think my favorite photo book might be the third or the last one. Because I don't know, it really gets to me, that one. Oh god. Also, I thought, like, because this was gonna be so big, I thought it'd be heavy. But it's not heavy, it's actually very light. And I think it's because of how the photo book looks like. So yeah, because a photo book is not actually a photo book. Yes, oh, of course. Really pretty. Love it so much. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so excited. But it's so pretty. Oh god, of course, poster. Oh my god, I saw the photo card. You know what? Let's just look at it after I show this poster, because honestly, I've been so excited for this. Oh my god. They look so good. I love this concept. This concept is so pretty. Oh my god. Also, I wish Jimin kept his blue hair. It looks so good on him. Honestly, like really. It really does. And of course, the one and only J-Hope. Yes. I swear for this album, it's going to be so hard for me because I collect OT7. It's gonna be so hard for me to collect all the members because I swear to god, not just some of the members, all of the members' photo cards are literally going for above $20, and honestly it's ridiculous. Like you might as well buy the album again and again. Like that's how much they're going for, and it's ridiculous. But yes, he looks so good. Yeah. Okay, and then of course this all looks so new to me. Of course, all this is so new to me, and then this album, you know, I'm just gonna keep it in here. Yeah. And then, of course, the lyric just blue. And this again. It's interesting how they change how it looks like. And then this, which, oh, okay. Oh, how funny how I said that, because this, where is it? How they would say ugh or uge, is my favorite song from the album. Also, Filter, Jimin really brought it for me here. It's really good, and Chingu is good too. Friend with V and Jim. Honestly, literally the whole album is so good. Moon is so sad. Well, it's not sad, but like it makes me emotional. Respect. Oh my god. You gotta put respect for that song. I swear to god, it's so good. But yes, I do think this is my favorite song. And then, but they're all so good. I swear. And I did listen to the On with Sia version. I mean, it's not that much different. It's just mainly, you know, her during the course. But yeah, and then, you know, just the lyrics. It's interesting how they're still doing the notes. Yeah. And then this, like always. Yeah, of course this album is very artistic, which I'm not surprised. Also, this is literally like a coloring paper. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be coloring that 7. Although, I mean, all of them probably a bit different. I might color one, I don't know. And of course the postcard, oh my god. Apparently they all are the ones that drew the doodles, so yes. I think that's really cool. Oh. Yes. I'll never get tired of seeing their signatures. How long has it been for me? So long. And stickers. Also, I'm literally filming this on my floor because it's so big. Yeah. And then of course this, which is a bit difficult to probably go through. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, then it closed backwards. Okay, let's go through this. Wow, that's so interesting. How instead of a photo book, it's this. I don't know how I feel about that. I mean, it's very artistic, but it is kind of cool how the photo book is kind of like mini posters. Like, look at that. Like, literally. I think it's really pretty. It's very new to me. It's very new to me. So I really like that. Like, if this was supposed to be like this, you know? Like, if you were to use it as a poster, it'd be... Oh my god. I swear the photos with them under the covers, they look so good. It's crazy. Like, look at this. I swear. Oh my god, I'm literally just worried because I don't know how I'm gonna collect all of the photo cards for this album. The prices are just ridiculous, honestly. Oh my god. Honestly, I'm waiting for Jin's. Jin looks so good in that picture. Oh wait, hold on, where is he? See, look at that. Wow, just look at that. Seriously, wow. He really killed all the concept for me, as well as Jimin. I swear, that blue hair. Oh my god, Yoongi looks so good. Look at that. Just look. The rap line. Also loving Namjoon's longish mullet. Really like it. Although I don't think he does, since he did say that he doesn't really like to grow his hair, but you know, he's doing it for the concept. Yes, okay, so that was version 1, and I pulled Hobie. Yes, okay, quickly on to version 2. Okay, so this is version 2. I really like this cover, the blue. Yes. It's interesting, because I feel like from now on, I don't think they'll ever not do four sets for an album, which is sad because, you know, it's expensive to always get 4 albums. Of course, you know, I don't have to, but BTS are my ults, so I do. Oh, okay. See, so pretty, I swear. Okay, let's open it. Oh, wow. Yeah, I believe this is the one with them wearing the wings. So, oh, I saw my photo card again. Wow, just look at that. Look at Jin in the center. He looks amazing. Oh my god, see, Jimin's blue hair just really kills me. Also, I really like Namjoon's hair color as well. But this version, I swear, they all look so good. Them wearing their wings, I swear. Okay. Of course. And I got Jin. Of course, and I got Jin. Oh my god, he looks so good. Oh, wow. Oh. I always tend to pull Jin, but like I said, really doesn't matter who I pull since I do collect OT7. So yes, I will be keeping him. Unless I somehow get more sets of the album. Then if I get doubles, I'll trade, but I don't know if that's gonna happen, so yes. He looks so good. Yeah. Okay. And the CD is the same except darker. And of course the notes. Yeah. The postcard, I believe it's the same. Yes. It is the same. I think the postcards are so cute. Also, yeah, I forgot that they're doing also group photo cards. So I feel like that's gonna be quite difficult to get if I don't pull. But I saw that a lot of people pulled a group photo card for the last version. So I don't know, I might pull one, but yeah. Wait, are the stickers the same? No, I think they're different, right? Are they different? I don't remember. Okay. And that. And of course, the lyric book. Wow, this is very thick. I mean, this is a full album, so. Okay, and then this. Also, look at this. Oh, hold on. Oh, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. But this paper shows a 7. I don't know if you'll see it. See? Really pretty. It's also quite thick paper. Okay. Okay, let's go through the posters. Oh, hold on, just look at that. Yes, this photo book. Beautiful. Yeah, this photo book really pretty. I mean, yeah, I really like this sticker. It matches the 7 that's on top. Okay, yes, I got Jin's photo card and onto the 3rd version. Okay, so this is the 3rd version. Really like these colors, the red and blue and like purple too. Really like that. Yes, wonderful. Oh, the photo card fell out. Okay, I didn't see who it was. It wasn't the photo card, it was actually the sound check thing, the scratch off thing. Yeah. Okay, and I know I said this about all of them, but I really like this concept as well. Well, let me try to not see my photo card. Where is it? I think it's behind this. Is it behind this? No, it's not. Okay, so it's somewhere here. Hold on. Somewhere. Oh, I think okay, I did not see it. And I think it's this. Okay, so I got the photo card out. Yeah, I really like the CD. Oh, I should have done that. Yeah. And the poster. It's the one that are on the table. And it's really cool. It looks really good. Wow, I love the colors. Cause like they're popping out because the colors. It's because it's so dark in the back. They're really standing out. I really like that. Really like Jimin's blue hair here. Yeah. Okay. And of course this, and this, and then also the same postcard as well. Yeah. Also it's the same sticker set. Yes. Yes, the same sticker set. And then the notes for version 3. It makes me think, since there's, you know, more notes, they might make another book, version 2, since, you know, the notes became a book. So I'm thinking they probably gonna come out with another book. So, oh, okay, no, I didn't rip it, thank God. Okay. Yes. You see, that looks so cool. See, it's like tracing paper. It's like the 7 is traced from outside of this. Yeah. Okay, let's look. Oh, wow. Okay, yes, this photo book, really cool. Or posters. Okay, let's look at my photo card. I did not see who I pulled. So let's look. Oh, this way. And oh my god, I pulled a group card. Oh my god, wow, I really didn't think I would. Oh my god. Wow, and I really like this version. Oh, they look so good. Wow. They look so good. I'm so happy about that. Oh my god. I swear, because people will be selling the group photo cards for like $30, and I'm really happy I pulled this. Wow. Okay. Wonderful. Really happy about that. Okay, on to the last version. Yes, well, on to the last version. I really like the concept photos for this one, so I'm really excited to see this one. Let's actually get this. Okay. Wonderful. Oh, this keeps falling out. Okay. Let's. Oh my god, exactly. It's the first person I see, I swear. This is why. Oh, hold on. Let me try not to see the photograph for this. Let me. Is this? Oh, this is the photograph. Okay. Okay. Look at the poster. Oh, you see, this is why I love this version. Oh, just look at that. Look at them. They look so good. Yes. Oh, they look really good. I really like this. It's so cute. Oh, Yoongi looks so cute with the hat. I swear everything about this is yes. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay. Of course. Lyric book, same. Also, CD, really nice. Lyric book, same. Of course, the big thing. Postcard is. Oh, wait. Yes, the same. I know why I thought it wasn't. It's not right. Yeah, okay. And then, of course, the notes, version 4. And the sticker set is also the same. And then let's look at the photo book. Okay. Oh, I'm really excited about this. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, I can see through it. Okay, let's go. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. It's kind of like a comic book. That's why I really like it. Yeah, it looks like a comic book. Oh, the green looks so good on him. Wow. Oh my god. What in the... Yes. Literally, wow. Also, I watched their the press conference yesterday. A lot of questions got answered by them, and my emotions were running high, but you know, we get through, you know? It was kind of sad, like, it felt like they were looking around, like, pretending, like, it looked like they were pretending to talk to someone, but, like, you know, no one was there. It was just live streaming, because, you know, it was such a huge place, for them to have such a big press conference, but, like, no one showed up, obviously, because they weren't allowed to, you know, for health reasons, so. But yeah, but it was good. God, I love this concept. Ugh. I love how it looks like a comic book. Oh my god, yes, roommates. Okay, really like that concept. Probably my favorite. This one and the wings one. I think that was version 2. Okay, so let's look at my photo card. See who I pulled. I swear. Come on. And oh my god, I got another group card. What? Wow, I never usually pull a group card. Wow. And if I wanted a group card, like this version is the one I really wanted it for. Wow. god. See, this is why, because all of them, they look so good. Yes. I'm really happy about that. Wow, I pulled 2 group cards and 2 non-group cards, obviously. It's surprising for me. I wasn't expecting that. Wow, I really like this. Okay, let's just go through everything I got. Okay, so this was my unboxing of BTS's Map of the Soul 7, and I love this album. I swear, because Tear is like, first it was really hard for me to beat Tear, because, you know, Tear was my favorite album, even though the Wings album was also one of my top favorites. Also the You Never Walk Alone, but like, honestly, the B-sides on this is just so good. And not only did honestly, the B-sides on this is just so good. And not only did some of the members participate in making on producing, also, you know, I think all the members got to contribute into producing, so I'm really happy about that. Filter's such a good song. Jimin, I think Jimin really did something special for this album. He really did, with Friend and Filter. Also Jungkook's solo, so good. But is my favorite song from this album. But yes, I got Hobie, Jin, and then 2 group cards. Kind of surprised about that, because I usually don't pull group cards. I don't know how I feel about that yet, but yes, because it's gonna be very hard for me to collect everyone for this album. But, you know, I'm gonna try. You know, I still didn't even complete any set for the Persona album. So for the last album, I still didn't even complete a set yet. So yeah, slowly but surely I will get there. But yes, yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.